Hey guys, it's your boy Jason at the manager, and I'm here to take you on today's tutorial on how to add a menus bar on your website using WordPress or WP admin. So log into your WordPress admin, appearance, themes. This might not show as it is now because I already installed a theme on it. So click on install themes. Choose any custom themes. You can see I already have a custom theme I want to use already. So that's that. So once it's done installing, activate it, then the menus will show right over here. So click on menus, name the menu bar, click on primary, so this will show at the top of your website. Create menu, so guys, as you can see over here, you can add pages, posts, custom links or categories to your website. So view all, you can add the home page and subscribe to the manager, add to menu, any post of your wishing, add to the menu, custom links or categories. So if you want to create a sub menu bar, just shift that to the side and it will become a subcategory of that main menu bar. So click save menu. So let's check if that works. So let's visit our main website. As you can see, the subcategory and all the menu bars are here. So that's it guys, you successfully created the menu bar on your website. Thanks for watching, see you later.